Hello. In this video, we're going to go over finding arc lengths. This is going to be a little similar on how we found area of sector and areas, because we're going to be basically finding a piece of the circumference. So let's go over that first. What are we talking about here? What is a circumference? A circumference is the perimeter of a circle, right? The circumference is this length that goes all the way around the circle. That is our circumference. It is measured by circumference. It is measured by 2 pi times the radius or pi times the diameter. Either way will work. Both of those work perfectly. So the arc length is just a piece of that based on the same thing we were doing before, where we have a central angle. We know that the total angles added up is 360. So our central angle is x over 360 times 2 pi r. That's it. That's our formula. We're going to apply this to the 3 problems we have on the left. Let's start with number 1. Number 1. First, we see that the x involved is 315. We want the darkened version, right? We want what has been bolded. That is our goal. So 315 is our x, radius is 11. And we just plug and chug. Arc length is equal to 315 over 360 times 2 pi times 11. That's it. And we're just going to clean that up as best we can. 315 over 360 will simplify to 7 over 8. 2 times 11 is 22. We're going to go round to the nearest tenth, and we're going to use 3.14 for pi. That's what we're going to use now for simplicity. So we have 7 over 8 times 22 times 3.14. Plug that on a calculator, and we get 60.44. Round to the nearest tenth, 60.4. And this will just be feet. Now, it's not feet squared because it's not an area. It is a perimeter that is happening. We are finding a piece of that perimeter. All right, easy stuff. Let's do number 2. Again, x, 270, r, 13. Let's plug and chug. Arc length is equal to 270 over 360 times 2 times pi times 13. That's it. And we're going to just plug and chug. 270 over 360 will simplify to 27 over 36, which simplifies to 3 over 4. 2 times 13 is 169 times pi. Oh, that's 13 squared. Just kidding. 2 times 13 is 26. I accidentally did 13 squared. 26 times, and then again for pi, we're going to replace 3.14. Easy peasy. This stuff is nice, easy points. We're rocking and rolling. Plug all into calculator. Simplify to the 10th. Put in our units. That's it. That is it. Let's do number 9. And in number 9, we're going to leave an exact form. X is 315. R is 8. And we're rocking and rolling. 315 over 360 times 2 pi times 8. So we see 315 over 360, which we have found already, which was 7 over 8 above, times 16 pi. And we can see that the 8 and the 16 will cancel. These are different colors, so it's obvious. But 1 over the 16, this will cancel. Cross cancel because the 8 goes into 16 twice. And we clearly see that 7 times 2 is 14 pi. And that would be my exact, well, let's not forget our units. 14 pi feet. That would be our exact units for finding the arc length in that situation. Other than that, if anyone has any specific questions they'd like me to go over, please send me an email. Hope everyone has a great day.